What's going on, everybody? This is a review and installation of the OKSIWA LED tail lights for your 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. I have an Amazon link in the description for these tail lights. Inside this box, I have a set of tail lights for a Ford F-150. They're custom. I'm going to unbox them, install them, and do a review and let you guys check them out. Okay, we can see two strips at the top, and we have like these three flame icons with some dotted LEDs in the middle. A little wave design right here. These actually look pretty cool. So we see the harness right here, and it already comes with a resistor, and it's the same on both tail lights. So let's get the F-150 in, get these things installed. The removal process of the tail lights is super simple. It's only held in with two 8mm bolts. There's one right here at the top and one down here at the bottom. Now you just need to firmly pull the light out. It's held in with some alignment clips. And now we can take the lights, twist them counterclockwise, and take them out of the housing. If you look at the hookup, one of them has 2 pins and the other has 3, so just make sure you hook it up to the right wire. There we go. So push in on the tab. I just took my screwdriver right here and twisted it, and it pushed up on the light assembly. Comes out just like that. And this is my end with the 3 pins, so I'm going to snap that one in now, and this should only fit in one way. Get that nice click, snaps right in. So we'll repeat the process on the other light. Just push down on the tab, and I'm going to use my screwdriver and just twist it right here to push it up and out. Move it the rest of the way and snap in our harness. Just like that. Now we can get this end attached to the tail light, get it in place, lined up, and install our two 8mm bolts. So I have my tail light. I'm just going to snap the connector together. Tuck our wires in, peel the plastic back a little bit, and also on the back side there are 3 pins that need to be aligned. This one here, second one's here, and the third one's right here. So make sure you have all of this lined up properly before you push it in. Everything is snapped in and lined up. We'll just reinstall the two 8mm bolts. Okay, this is the running light comparison. You have like the 3 flames lit up for the running light compared to the 1 bulb on the factory light. So that's pretty slick. So the brake light is all of these lights in between, along with the 2 bars at the top. compared to the factory side where it's the same bulb that just gets a little brighter. So we have a LED reverse light right here. And then this is the factory reverse light. It's a hazard flasher on the aftermarket side versus the factory side. And the light does this cool dance when you open the door, which is pretty slick. All right, Ken, this is your F-150. What do you think of the new taillights?
Oh, I love them. I love them. I really like the white stripes at the top and just the design in general against the gray background especially. I just think it, in the smoked out version, I just think it looks much better than it did before with the originals.
Yeah, I like this too. So yeah, these are really cool. It's almost like a flame effect going on here. So obviously beauty is in the eye of the beholder, but hey, myself and Ken, we think these things look pretty smooth.
Absolutely.
So I'll have an Amazon link in the description. Pick yourself up a set if you like them. If you found that video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.